April's Dark Sky Week is not just an event for astronomy enthusiasts. It's a rare opportunity to connect deeply with the cosmos and explore your inner journey. As the night sky reaches its darkest, under faint moonlight, countless stars silently shimmer, inviting us to pause, look up, and listen to messages from the distant universe. This is more than a moment to marvel at the Milky Way's ethereal beauty. It's an ideal time to reflect on your thoughts, release stagnant energy, and open yourself to transformation through unseen cosmic forces quietly at work. According to ancient cultures, this period marks the thinning of the veil between heaven and earth, allowing humans to receive profound insights and visions about themselves and the universe. Stars typically overshadowed by the moon now shine more vividly, reminding us that sometimes, in darkness, we truly see what needs to change. Use this week to ask bold questions. Where am I headed? What's holding me back? What energy must I release to move forward? To optimize your experience, begin by setting a clear intention. I am ready to embrace change and the wisdom the universe offers. Speak this affirmation aloud, jot it in a journal, or simply comment, "I am ready," as a promise to yourself. However you choose, keep your mind open, like the vast night sky welcoming starlight. This is your cosmic pause, a moment to breathe, reset your energy, and sync with the galaxy's rhythm. For just as stars glow in silence, the greatest shifts often arrive when we're still enough to listen. From April 9th to 13th, the night sky will weave a magical tale through the appearance of special constellations and planets. Each evening is not just an opportunity to admire cosmic beauty, but also a chance to reflect on profound life lessons about balance and inner strength. As twilight falls on April 9th, turn your gaze northwest to spot Capella, the brightest star in the constellation Auriga. At first glance, Capella appears as a warm golden dot, but it is actually a pair of giant stars locked in an eternal orbital dance. Located 42 light-years from Earth, their combined glow forms a radiant golden beacon, symbolizing harmony between opposing forces. On this night, Capella whispers, "Differences are not meant to divide, but to complement." If you're torn between conflicting choices, let Capella inspire you to reconcile them. Through a telescope, you'll glimpse Capella's faint red dwarf companions, a gentle reminder that even the smallest entities contribute to the vast universe. On April 10th, as the Gemini twins Castor and Pollux rise overhead, they embody the bond of brotherhood and unity between extremes. In Greek myth, Castor was mortal, while Pollux was divine, an inseparable pair despite their differing realms. Their light invites you to seek companionship even in divergence. Extend an imaginary line southeast from these twins, and you'll encounter Hydra, the sky's longest constellation, representing the mythical sea serpent. Hydra's faintly visible head hints at buried emotions and truths we often avoid. The night seems to murmur, "Dare to confront your inner shadows, and you'll find the light of freedom." When dusk settles on April 11th, look southwest too. Witness the celestial alignment of Sirius and Procyon, the legendary dog stars. Sirius, the sky's brightest star, blazes with a blue-white gleam, revered by ancient Egyptians as a symbol of the Nile's floods and rebirth. Above it, Procyon shines steadily, embodying quiet resilience. Their vertical alignment resembles twin pillars upholding the night. Sirius urges you to awaken from spiritual slumber, while Procyon advises, stand firm like an oak in the storm. If you're at a crossroads, this alignment affirms, today's choices shape tomorrow. As darkness descends on April 12th, seek out Vega in the northeast, the dazzling blue-white jewel of Lyra. Fifth brightest in the sky, Vega leads the summer triangle, with Deneb and Altair. In Japanese lore, Vega, Orihime, and Altair, Hikoboshi, are star-crossed lovers separated by the Milky Way, reunited just once each July. Vega's rise heralds summer's arrival, a season of passion and creativity. If you harbor a dormant dream, let Vega's light reignite it. Linked to Apollo, god of art, this star whispers, shine unapologetically in your unique way. The journey culminates on April 13th with Leo, the celestial lion symbolizing courage and sovereignty. That night, Leo's sickle, a backward question mark of 6 stars, stands upright in the southern sky, anchored by Regulus, the white lion's heart. In Babylonian culture, Regulus marked royal destiny. Leo's silent majesty reminds us that true power lies not in roar, but in quiet confidence. If hesitation grips you, let Leo's presence embolden you to act rightly, even unwitnessed. From Capella to Leo, each April night whispers a cosmic story. These stars are more than fiery plasma. They are spiritual guides. They teach us that balance is not stillness, but a dance of opposites, and strength springs not from appearance, but from tempered inner resolve. Spend 10 minutes each evening this week communing with the heavens. You might find answers beyond logic's reach. As Carl Sagan said, we are made of star stuff, and perhaps our life's path is written in the light of distant suns. When April nights drape themselves in mystical darkness, 3 prominent planets compose a symphony of balance between passion and mindfulness. Their positions, hues, and movements are not just celestial phenomena, but profound metaphors for personal growth. Mars blazes in the northwest sky after sunset, its fiery red-orange glow resembling a torch in the darkness. Named after the Roman god of war, this planet symbolizes grit, courage, and the drive to conquer. Its crimson hue, born from iron oxide on its surface, serves as a reminder. True strength lies in confronting challenges head-on. If you're facing a pivotal decision, let Mars ignite your resolve. But remember, like a wise warrior, real bravery isn't charging into every battle, but choosing fights aligned with your values. In the early dawn hours, as night transitions to day, 2 gas giants emerge in the southeast. Jupiter, the solar system's largest planet, dazzles with colorful cloud bands and its centuries-old great red spot. It embodies optimism, the hunger to explore, and faith in the miraculous. Opposite it, Saturn, with its iconic rings, epitomizes discipline, structure, and patience. In astrology, this duo forms a perfect equilibrium. Jupiter urges you to dream big, while Saturn whispers, build brick by brick. Their simultaneous pre-dawn appearance teaches the harmony of ambition and focus. Imagine constructing a castle. Jupiter is the bold blueprint reaching for the clouds, while Saturn is the meticulous ruler, ensuring each brick aligns perfectly. If torn between chasing dreams and grounding in reality, gaze at these planets. Their message? Don't choose one. Let them synergize. The combined presence of Mars, fire, Jupiter, shall gas, and Saturn, earth, in April creates a unique energetic triangle. They mirror humanity's core facets: passion, Mars; vision, Jupiter; and discipline, Saturn. To thrive, you need all three. Just as an artist requires both blazing inspiration and relentless practice. Apply their lessons to daily life. Planning. Let Jupiter expand your imagination, but heed Saturn's reminder of realistic timelines. Action. Channel Mars' fire to overcome obstacles, yet stay as grounded as Saturn to avoid futile battles. Setbacks. Allow Jupiter's optimism to lift you, while Saturn's wisdom guides your growth. April's sky is a grand textbook teaching that the cosmos hosts no true opposites, only complements. Let these planets light your path, but never forget, the brightest star remains your own heart, balancing aspiration and action. As Carl Sagan reflected, we are star stuff, and perhaps our greatest potential unfolds when we harmonize the cosmic forces within. April brings a special gift from the cosmos. Dark Sky Week. Not just a chance to marvel at glittering stars, but a portal to inner transformation. When the sky reaches its deepest stillness, the universe's subtle vibrations become clearest, urging us to shed outdated energies and limiting beliefs entrenched in our souls. This is the time to purge the mind and open the heart to fresh vitality, whispered by constellations and planets each night. Carve out moments of quiet beneath the night sky, whether meditating in a park or simply stargazing from a balcony. Let Capella's light remind you of harmony. Sirius ignite your courage, and Regulus inspire quiet strength. Each celestial body a guiding lantern. Sync your breath with the night wind's rhythm, and let the affirmation, "I am ready for change," ring out like a vow to yourself. Don't hesitate to write down what needs releasing: a toxic relationship, invisible fears, or habits that have shackled you for years. Then watch them dissolve into the darkness like fleeting meteors. The universe hands you a key, but the door to change opens only when you dare to step forward. Follow galactic movements through Wisdom Quest, a channel updating you on wondrous astronomical events to stay connected to the cosmos. Yet remember, even as stars guide you, the first step must still be yours. Darkness exists not to frighten, but to reveal your own light. This week, let the night sky mirror the courage, resolve, and hunger for wholeness you carry within. The universe is listening. Are you ready to greet the newest version of yourself?